Hey folks, we've been enjoying the view from Sky 5 South Padre Island again today. It fogged up for a while. We couldn't see the road down below. The fog went away, and now we've got some nice western sky viewing. Venus right there. Saturn, Jupiter, and Venus all in the western sky tonight. Venus, the one closest to the horizon. They'll all kind of parade down, follow the sun right down there and set over the next couple of hours. So pretty night out there. Get a chance to go out and look off to the west. You can do this without being up high in the sky looking at a camera. Just go look. Let's take a look at temperatures across the valley right now. Here's where we stand. 73 McAllen. Edinburgh's down to 69. Raymondville and Harlingen are both at 68. Port Isabel 64. The island is 66 degrees at this hour. These are your forecast lows tonight. Upper 50s, so cool night out there again. Take a jacket with you if you're going out tonight. And then tomorrow morning, you'll want that early. But boy, things burn off quickly. Any fog that's out there will go away, and temperatures are back into the 80s. Every place but the beach, a comfortable 76 at South Padre. Winds out of the southeast about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And look at the next 3 days. The normal high now is at 79. That's the 30-year average for the latter part of November, mid to latter part of November. We're going 82, 84, 83, kind of making up for last week's, 42, 43, 44, whatever that was. 40 degrees difference from last week to this week. You got to love fall in the valley, right? Satellite and radar together, showing almost nothing other than the patchy fog that showed up overnight tonight. We stay mostly clear most of the night, except for, again, patchy fog. And then tomorrow, we start with some clouds early in a few places, but then we're back to partly to mostly sunny again for the afternoon. The high-resolution future track suggests a few clouds will show up again tomorrow night, mostly low stuff. We may see a few high cirrus clouds coming across as well, so we're going to end up probably mostly cloudy briefly overnight tomorrow night, but during the daytime, those clouds burn off, so you see sunshine during the day. But look at the rain chances all the way through Thursday night. Nothing. The next chance shows up Friday with the next front that's nothing like last week's front, but it will cool things off a little bit in time for the weekend. These are current: 62 Dallas and Austin, 65 in San Antonio, Houston 69 right now. Boy, just about as clear as it can be from one end of the state to the other. Big high pressure in control. That high will move eastward, and as it does, the winds will come back out of the east and then eventually east-southeast tomorrow. So that'll push Gulf moisture back in. That'll take the humidity levels back up a little bit, but still, again, 80s by day, 50s and 60s by night. By Wednesday, as that high pressure moves away, big storm coming into the western part of the country, so the difference in pressure, the pressure gradient between the high and the low to the west, will create strong winds over South Texas, so windy on Wednesday and probably pretty breezy on Thursday as well. On Thursday, the next front's on the map. That front will push in late Friday into early Saturday, and with that, we'll turn a little bit cooler, but not dramatically so, and our chance of rain stands pretty slight, but there is at least a chance when that front comes in. If you're headed to the coast, winds there out of the southeast tomorrow, 10 to 20 knots. The bay has just a moderate chop on it. UV's moderate. Bay temperature 64, the surf at 65. No advisories right now. A low risk of rip current. Seas about 2 to 4 feet. There are the tides for tomorrow. Low followed by a high. So for tonight, your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast says 56. Clear skies early. Patchy fog showing up later on. Variable winds light. Then tomorrow back up to 82. A little patchy fog early, especially in the lower valley, but after that sunshine takes over, we're back to 82 with a southeast breeze, not much more than about 6 to 12. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days looks this way. We stay in the 80s by day all the way through Friday, and then a little bit cooler over the weekend. Probably what you'll notice is the change in the nighttime lows. As we go from 59 tonight to 71 by Friday, that means the humidity really comes back in. Front comes in, and then the lows drop back in the 50s again, so you'll feel that as much as the daytime highs. So tomorrow, again, mostly sunny after some morning fog and a high of 82. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.